Auto door locks in your 2019 present Dodge Ram 1502 automatically engage when the vehicle reaches approximately 15 miles per hour, enhancing safety and security. This feature is part of the Uconnect infotainment system and can be customized to your preferences. The primary method for controlling auto door locks is through the Uconnect touchscreen interface. First, start your vehicle by turning the key in the ignition or pressing the push button start, depending on your trim level. Locate and tap the settings icon on the Uconnect touchscreen, typically found on the home screen along with other main menu options. From the settings menu, tap Vehicle, then select Doors and Locks to access the Locking Options submenu. In the Doors and Locks menu, locate the Auto Door Locks option. Toggle it to On to enable automatic locking when the vehicle reaches 15 miles per hour, or Off to disable this feature. Within the Uconnect settings, you might see a speed sensing mode. This is another term for the auto door lock feature, linking activation directly to vehicle speed. Ensure this setting is enabled if you want the doors to lock automatically when driving. Some newer versions have been reported to use a simple on or off switch, however, both accomplish the same thing. For convenient remote adjustments to your Dodge Ram 1500's auto door locks, use the Stellantis app on your smartphone. First, download and install the Stellantis app from your App Store. The app features a distinctive padlock icon for easy identification. Next, pair your smartphone with your vehicle via Bluetooth. Hold your phone near the dashboard as shown to initiate the connection process. Once connected, authenticate using the app's security features, which may include biometric verification or OTP codes. Then navigate to the Vehicle Settings menu. Finally, locate the door lock settings within the app and remotely enable or disable the auto door lock feature. Recent app updates support voice commands for hands-free control. While less common in newer models after 2020, some Dodge Ram 1500s might allow auto door lock programming through a specific key fob sequence, such as cycling the locks while turning the key in the ignition. Always refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions if your vehicle supports this method. When deciding whether to disable auto door locks, consider the balance between accessibility and security. While disabling this feature can make it easier to access your vehicle, it may also reduce overall protection against theft. Disabling auto door locks may increase accessibility for users with mobility needs or when frequently loading items, but this choice can reduce the vehicle's security by leaving doors unlocked in certain situations. Experts recommend balancing accessibility with security by considering anti-theft add-ons if you choose to disable auto locks. Options include car alarm systems, steering wheel locks, and other deterrents. Keep in mind that unlocked doors contributed to 12% of vehicle thefts nationwide in 2024, according to safety reports. Statistics show the importance of maintaining proper security measures. Examples of anti-theft add-ons include steering wheel locks, which physically prevent the vehicle from being driven, providing an additional layer of protection. Keep your Uconnect software updated. Stellantis frequently releases over-the-air updates that improve system functionality and address potential bugs, including those related to door locks. Software glitches may cause false auto-lock triggers, and keeping software up to date can resolve these issues. When updates are available, you'll see notifications on your infotainment screen. These updates are part of Stellantis' tech platform improvements. The update process may temporarily disable some features like backup camera and radio. Regular software updates prevent false auto-lock triggers and ensure your vehicle's system remains reliable. Future automotive locking systems are evolving rapidly with connectivity and AI-driven automation. Smart locks will adapt to user behavior through telematics data, learning your driving habits to automatically secure the vehicle. Machine learning algorithms will predict locking needs based on GPS data, such as urban versus rural settings, ensuring optimal security without manual intervention. In semi-self-driving vehicles, locks will manage themselves autonomously, integrating with vehicle AI systems for seamless operation. Over-the-air updates will ensure constant improvements, while sustainable materials and lock mechanisms will enhance efficiency, especially in electric vehicles. Future systems may include advanced tracking and alcohol detection with engine locking, as shown in emerging technologies. Industry projections show a 40% increase in app-controlled locking features by 2028, driven by consumer demand for personalization and connectivity. These advancements will continue to enhance both security and user convenience in automotive locking systems.